In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Shopify store under construction. This can be incredibly useful if you need to temporarily close your store to make some changes or prepare for a big launch. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the Shopify dashboard, which is your main control center. From here, we need to navigate to the Preferences section. To get there, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Now, find and select Preferences. This section houses all sorts of important settings related to your store's appearance and functionality. In the Preferences section, you'll find an option labeled Password Protection. What this does is allow you to restrict access to your storefront by putting it behind a password. It's a handy way to ensure that only those who have the password, like your team or special testers, can view the site while it's under construction. Check the box that says Enable Password. You'll see a text box where you can enter a password of your choosing. Make sure it's something secure yet easy to remember. Below that field, there's another box labeled Message for your visitors. Use this space wisely to inform your visitors why your store is temporarily unavailable. A friendly note explaining that your store is undergoing some exciting changes can go a long way in maintaining interest and customer relationships. At this point, there's one important thing you should do before you proceed further. Ensure you save your changes. Shopify doesn't automatically save updates, so scroll down and click the Save button. You should see a confirmation notification pop up on your screen, letting you know that your settings have been successfully updated. If you miss this step, all your hard work will not be reflected when people visit your store. Now that your store is set to under construction, it's a good practice to test it out yourself. Open up an incognito window in your web browser and type in your store's URL. You should be greeted by a password page, indicating that everything is working as planned. Input the password you set to ensure it lets you through, confirming that all visitors need the password you've chosen to access the storefront. Before wrapping up, remember that keeping your store under construction indefinitely isn't ideal. Use this time efficiently to make all the necessary tweaks and improvements. When you're ready to reveal your revamped store, simply return to the Preferences section, uncheck the Enable Password option, and save your changes again. That's about it. Your Shopify store is now safely under construction, allowing you to make your improvements without exposing unfinished elements to the world. Best of luck with your updates, and remember that a little downtime can lead to a much better shopping experience in the long run. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more useful tips.